If you are passionate about AI and the future of technology with a little bit of a personal twist, then you're in the right place. And today I've got some huge news to share with you all. So, are you ready? Let's dive right in. At just 18 years old, balancing my science studies with my passion of AI, I have taken a giant leap. And I'm thrilled to announce that I have launched my own AI automation agency, Engage Growth. And yes, you heard that right. And as you all know, I have been deeply involved in everything AI, from creating chatbots to complete backend automations, and discussing intricate ways of developing AI and ways that it can simplify your life. And now I am bringing this passion to the Swedish market with my agency. So, what does this mean? We're focusing on custom solutions, whether that's crafting the perfect chatbot to engage your customers, or developing sophisticated backend systems to streamline your operations. And every project will be uniquely crafted to meet your needs, ensuring a personalized solution that aligns perfectly with your goals. And starting this agency is not just a business decision, it is a personal milestone for my life. It represents the countless hours I have spent learning, experimenting, and growing. And it's about bringing my vision for a smarter and more efficient world into reality. And here is where I turn to you, my amazing viewers. Even if you're a business owner in Sweden, or just a fellow tech and AI enthusiast curious about the power of AI, I invite you to follow me along this journey. Check out the links in the description to learn more about what we are offering and how we can help revolutionize your business. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all things AI and more from my day-to-day life. I am incredibly excited of starting this new journey, and even more thrilled to have you with me along the way. So let's push the boundaries of AI. Tack för att just du tittar, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.